Okay, so today is a different type of video. I'm not doing an introduction. I'm not doing a hook. I'm not doing anything like that. I am just basically talking to you from a business standpoint of my reflection of things that I've heard and basically understanding more of me and where I want my business to go. And to tell you exactly what I'm trying to do with this channel. Lately you've been saying a lot of things about planners and but what I want you to understand is that my channel is not about planners. It's basically about prompts, setting up prompts and using those prompts to create systems so that you can create digital products in your business faster. For those of you who are not familiar with AI, you might struggle with prompts. That's why I bring that to you to help you use prompts, understand them, turn them into templates so you don't have to always start from ground zero when you're creating a product. Um, I find myself, I love to learn, but I do find the default for me of learning so much is that too much gets in my head and I'm following people that I shouldn't be following. Not that they're giving bad information, but then I'm taking in information that does not fit my brand. And after a while, for me, because of the way my brain works, I start getting confused. And I have these tools and I'm buying other tools and I'm realizing that some of these tools are not even justifiably working. Especially like for instance, when I put up a video and the title I have, they say that the score is 33 and to pick their title, which is 90, and when I pick their title, the views are garbage. I mean, pure garbage. So basically, I'm going to run my channel the way I want. I, and if analytics don't pick it up, oh well. Okay? I'm talking to the person. The reason why I started using prompts was because it helps me to figure out things much better. And I trust myself more than these other tools that I'm paying for because I'm finding that they're not working for me. Not at all. They're not doing anything for me. So I have prompts here. Um, and I also have prompts that I use. Like I said, I've been showing you the prompts for planners and things like that. And I just have a whole mess of prompts that I use for everything. I have prompts for my workflow when I'm doing pins for Pinterest. I have a certain workflow that I put those prompts in for, and I use those. I use prompts for creating movies. And don't get me wrong, I love video, but I don't like the videos that I have to do here. I'd rather do animation videos and create fun things, something I enjoy doing. And not that I don't enjoy this channel, I don't enjoy what I've let this channel come to. I don't like what I've let this channel turn me into, if that makes any sense. So moving forward, like I said, the reason why I started this channel is because of my journey. I didn't want to keep starting over from zero of creating things. And that was the great thing about me when I got into the Digital Boss Academy, when I realized that I didn't have to start from zero. And if you're not interested in learning prompts, but you still want to do digital products, you can still get into the Digital Boss Academy and learn the digital marketing process, and you can resell that same process that you're learning from that can probably help someone else. This is just what it is. It's how things are. If you don't have an idea or a clue about what to sell, or if you say, well, you know what, I kind of want to do prompts, but I also want to learn how to do digital marketing. I want to learn about a little bit more, you can go to Digital Boss Academy and learn that as well. Or you can get the free planner prompt starter kit that I also offer. It's up to you. But the purpose of this whole video was not to promote neither one of those products, okay? It's not to promote neither one of them. The purpose of this video was basically just to tell you I'm just going to do what I want to do for my channel, for people that I'm helping. And if I only get 10 or 15 views, that'll be 10 or 15 views of people that are looking exactly for what I'm talking about. I'd rather have the exact people who need the help of 15 people than to have 1,000 views of people who are just clicking in and clicking off and going about their business and have no interest. So, moving forward, this is what I'm going to do. Be careful. What I want to say is be careful of all the people that you listen to. Not that they're giving bad information, but you have to understand what it is that you want to offer in your business. So narrow it down. I mean, get 3 or 4 people that you want to listen to for each segment of your business or pillar of your business, and leave it at that. And anything else you take it in with a grain of salt as entertainment or as a way of just implementing. Say, oh well, maybe I can put that in my business, you know. But other than that, moving forward, my entire process of having this channel is in the hopes of teaching someone who is new to digital marketing how to use prompts to set up systems to help them create products faster. Period. Okay? There are other things I'm probably going to be implementing as I finish my certification and things of that nature, but until then, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate you listening to me rant today, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.